And I would also like to say, आप लोग अपना videos on कर लो. There is no harm. We all understand we are at lockdown, and whatever family situations are there, it's good to see everyone. Okay. So ठीक है. So again, Nishtha, I will ask you कि like नहीं, I think Rachit is in Sangeeta's team. So Sangeeta, you will have to ensure that after the meeting he gets the updates of the meeting.
Yes, sure, sir. मैं बता दूंगी उसे.
Okay. और एक चीज मैं फिर से आई वांट टू एम्फसाइज ऑन दिस फैक्ट कि देखो, टीम मीटिंग्स अटेंड करना बहुत जरूरी है. वी डोंट मीट ऑफन, वी जस्ट मीट 3 to 4 hours. वी आर मीटिंग इन अ वीक. बट क्या है कि मान लो कि आप किसी को अपडेट भी देते हो, एंड इट इज फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू आई एम शेयरिंग. आप किसी को अपडेट भी देते हो तो एट मैक्स व्हाट यू विल शेयर इज द टास्क दैट आर रिक्वायर्ड. या फिर हम लोग अगर मान लो कि 1.5 घंटे से 2 घंटे की मीटिंग करेंगे तो आप इतना लंबा तो किसी को अपडेट दोगे नहीं, 1.5 से 2 घंटे का, राइट? एंड गिवन द काइंड ऑफ वर्क दैट वी आर डूइंग, it's very new to all of you, and in the process the learning that is involved is for all of us, which cannot be simply shared in 1 or 2 line of summary to anyone, or maybe in a 5 minutes call or in a 7 minutes call. Yeah. Be little responsive. Somebody lives nearby railway station. Nice. So it's very important कि हम सारे लोग मीटिंग में प्रेजेंट रहें, राइट? एंड ईच टीम हैज दिस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि आपके टीम मेंबर्स यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट रहें. Sabyasachi is also here. He is devoting his active time on the project, and the things that he will be sharing here in the meeting, or what I will be sharing, आप अगर आप मीटिंग में नहीं रहोगे तो it won't be, मतलब you won't be able to learn what his thought process is, or what I will share with you my thought process, because like he has spent quite long years just researching on this field, on this area. So it's really, really important that if you have committed yourself to it, be here. Yeah. ठीक है. हाँ. So okay, just a second यार, मेरे यहाँ थोड़ा पानी बारिश हो रहा है. मैं just yes, the rainy season has started at Hazaribagh. So okay, fine. So let us start. एक तो I want each team to present how much they have done since last week, since our last meeting. पहले तो थोड़ा सा आप लोग ये शेयर करो, the new team members who have joined this from market research to data analytics. Are you guys aware of the task that is shared with you? Have your teammates shared with you? Has Nishtha, Sangeeta, have they properly shared with you what you are supposed to do? Preeti, have these people shared with you? Do you know आपको क्या करना है? From where you have to do?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. They shared. We had a meeting and they explained everything.
हमें कितने कैंडिडेट्स का डेटा डिजिटाइज करना है इन ईच असेंबली कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी, वेयर वी विल फाइंड दोज डेटा, what are the challenges that we need to ensure, how do we have to do the digitization.
So they explained.
Okay, great. And did you get a chance to look into the data set and do the digitization?
Yes, sir. I digitized around 2 to 3 candidates. Digitized data of 2 to 3 candidates.
So how much time did it take for you to digitize each candidate's data?
Actually, it decreased linearly. I remember while digitizing first candidate, I almost took around 1.5 hours during my first time. Then, while digitizing the data of second candidate, time decreased by 30 minutes. So it took around 1 hour, and then subsequently 45 minutes, and 45 minutes is the minimum, sir, for me. I mean, sir, I found it hard to recognize what they have written. I mean, समझ नहीं आता कि 2 लिखा 3 लिखा कि वो काफी और एक और चीज सर कि जो इतने जो प्रिसाइज है, मतलब कि जैसे कोल्ड ड्रिंक में कितना जा रहा है, अब जैसे प्रिंट मीडिया है सर, तो प्रिंट मीडिया में जो प्रोमिनेंट अखबार हैं उनको उनको लिखना है, और उसके बाद जो नॉन प्रोमिनेंट जो मैंने सुने नहीं है कभी सर, उनको भी मतलब लिखना पड़ता है। तो सर इसका कुछ किया नहीं जा सकता ताकि चीजें और ऑप्टिमाइज हो जाएं और इफिशिएंटली कर ले, मतलब अगर उसको लेना लेने से अगर कम एरर आए, एरर नेग्लिजिबल हो तो ज्यादा सही रहेगा सर, काफी टाइम बचेगा।
हाँ तुषार, तो प्रॉब्लम ये है कि अगर तुम अपना सोचो, ये सब्जेक्टिव हो जाएगा फिर, क्योंकि आपके मुताबिक 2-3 अखबार जो प्रोमिनेंट है आप उसका फिर डिजिटाइज करोगे, लेकिन मैं तुषार की जगह मैं अगर पक्षाल को दे दूंगा तो वो कुछ और एक दो ऐड कर देगा शायद। तो ये सब्जेक्टिविटी आना नहीं चाहिए डेटा में कि मेरे मुताबिक कौन सा प्रोमिनेंट है, मैं सिर्फ उसका डेटा ले रहा हूँ। इसीलिए सभी करना पड़ेगा। उसके बाद अगर कुछ हम लोगों को फोकस करना पड़े स्पेसिफिकली ऑन बिग न्यूज़पेपर्स तो वो हम कर सकेंगे, लेकिन वो फिर हम लोगों के पास फ्रीडम रहेगा। हम लोगों को ये सुनना नहीं पड़ेगा कि आपके पास तो डेटा ही नहीं, आप उठाइए सब्जेक्टिव डेटा, तो ये प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा एनालिसिस के टाइम।
हाँ, और एक और सर डाउट है मेरा कि जैसे कैंपेनिंग में कई के जैसे खाने पीने पे कितना खर्च हुआ, तो मतलब उतना ज्यादा प्रिसाइज होने का क्या बेनिफिट है? मतलब मुझे डेटा पॉइंट्स याद नहीं आ रहे हैं वो फील्ड्स, लेकिन काफी ज्यादा प्रिसाइज था। मतलब उसको अगर नेग्लेक्ट, मैं उनको एक
देखो, एनी एनालिसिस द मोर प्रिसाइज द डेटा द बेटर इट इज, बिकॉज एग्रीगेट डेटा में कुछ मतलब बहुत कुछ तुम कह नहीं सकते। जो तुम जितना डिसएग्रीगेटेड डेटा होगा, जितना आइटम वाइज डेटा होगा, तुम उतना और ज्यादा तुम रिफाइंड एनालिसिस कर सकोगे। जैसे कार के हिसाब से कितना कार वाइज डिटेल्स दिया हुआ है, तो दिस इज वेरी यूजफुल, क्योंकि हम कितने कार्स यूज हुए हैं, कितने दिन के लिए यूज हुए हैं, उसमें फ्यूल एक्सपेंसेस क्या है, ये सब हम लोग पता कर सकेंगे। इससे एनालिसिस काफी रिफाइंड हो सकता है जब हम एनालिसिस शुरू करें, क्योंकि एग्रीगेट डेटा से ज्यादा एनालिसिस होता नहीं, इसलिए हम लोग वी आर ऑलवेज आफ्टर मोर रिफाइंड डेटा, कि उससे भी रिफाइंड अगर मिल जाए तो बेटर है।
मेरे हिसाब से हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा अननेसेसरी डेटा भी मतलब अननेसेसरी वर्क भी कर रहे हैं। जैसे गाड़ी का नंबर लिखने की क्या जरूरत है, हम लोग गाड़ी नंबर 1 2 3 भी सीरियल नंबर भी कर सकते थे। नंबर लिखने का मुझे कोई मतलब नहीं समझ में आ रहा है यहाँ पे।
हाँ, तो नंबर लिखने का ये कारण है कि अगर हम लोगों को सोचो बाद में वेरीफाई करना पड़े, क्योंकि लोग तो कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं। मैं अगर सोचो मैं प्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ कहीं पे, people can ask me that how do you know that these reportings are correct? People can write random things. So then if such comments arise, then I can go back and check against the registration number whether these cars are belong to appropriate car agencies, which are usually used hired by politicians during campaign. So if I say that, then people will say, okay, these guys know what he's talking about, right? So that's what I mean, to collect additional information, because people always ask questions when you present a research analysis, that how do you know that this data is good? How do you know that the reporting is correct? How do you know that this person reported this but the other people didn't report it? So all these issues can be verified if these kind of questions come up, because we have all this detailed information.
But we already know, sir, these data are partially not correct, right? So I think, but yeah, it might be correct according to political parties. Yeah.
No. One thing I want to add here, the car details which are given over there.
Sir,
Hello.
yes, sir, you are already well.
So I just want to add about the car details which are given over there, that these car details are actually right. During election, the candidates have to take permission from the election commission that these are my vehicles. I want to run these vehicles in my election campaign. आपने सुना होगा इलेक्शन के समय इलेक्शन कमीशन बहुत सारी गाड़ियों को सीज कर लेता है. They use it for their purpose. Election commission uses it and they pay the owners rent against the cars. Have you heard this? जैसे
No.
बसेस सीज कर लेते हैं, पब्लिक व्हीकल्स.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो सिमिलरली जो व्हीकल्स बच जाते हैं, a majority of those vehicles belong to, एक तो वो बच जाते हैं जो इलेक्शन कैंपेन में कैंडिडेट्स यूज करते हैं, एंड दे हैव टू सबमिट दीज डिटेल्स टू द इलेक्शन कमीशन दैट आई एम यूजिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर व्हीकल. आई थिंक किसी के माइक्रोफोन से काफी नॉइज आ रहा है. ओके, सो दे हैव टू प्रेजेंट दिस इंफॉर्मेशन, सबमिट इट टू द इलेक्शन कमीशन. सो द स्पेसिफिकली जो कार डिटेल्स हैं वहां पे, those are absolutely right. And very vital, just pointed out, it adds, tremendous authenticity in our data set.
Sir, yes, sir. And sir, one more doubt, sir. In campaign material sheet, I mean, what is the importance of writing the total amount spent on a garland of flower? I mean, they are negligible, sir, in front of
But
total.
Tushar, how do you choose which item to digitize and which item to not digitize?
Sir, instead of writing those small things individually, we can put them into single, I mean. Hello?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
See, as I said, aggregate data is useful, but beyond the point, we need disaggregated data. So we can later club these items into categories and then say category-wise expenses within campaign material, right? So these kind of things will not be possible if you just copy the aggregate campaign material expenses. So either you only capture the aggregate or you capture all the details, because if you choose which detail to digitize and which detail not to digitize, then that's a useless data set, because then you are bringing your subjectivity to the data. And if you only capture aggregate, then we can't do any disaggregated analysis within, say, campaign material, in terms of what kind of campaign material that the different parties spend money on. And there could be interesting differences even there across parties or across candidates or across locations. So all this kind of analysis is possible only when you have fine-grained data.
Also, sir, if even if the amount is negligible but the format is same, so it does not take time digitizing that data. I mean, for that sheet, I mean, you just have to copy paste the headings and just write the amount corresponding to it, so it does not take time.
Actually, my question was about what impact does it create. I mean, I was eager to know. I mean, that including that data set create what difference. So मेरे को वो नहीं है कि मैं मतलब आलस आ रहा है मेरे को, वो चीज नहीं है. मैं बस पूछना चाहता था कि what impact does it create.
देखो, जब तुम डेटा डिजिटाइज कर रहे हो तब तुम्हें जितना फाइन ग्रेन डेटा तुम डिजिटाइज कर सको उतना बेटर है. एज अ प्रिंसिपल हो सकता है कि गार्लैंड का डेटा फाइनली हम लोगों को यूज ना करना पड़े, लेकिन अगर करना पड़ता है, सोचो बाद में जाके, फिर फिर तुमको हायर नहीं कर पाऊंगा ना. फिर मुझे टीम बनाना पड़ेगा कि सिर्फ वो गार्लैंड वाला डेटा आप डिजिटाइज कर दीजिए. So that's why digitize, it's a fixed cost. So when you pay fixed cost of digitization, you want to capture as much data as possible, because later there is no point of asking whether it would have been better to digitize more data, right? So it's better to be on the excess than be sorry. So that's the point. We can capture aggregate data, but then if we want to do fine grain analysis later, if that becomes our focus point, then we can't do anything. Then we have to again hire a bunch of people to digitize it.
And just one more point I want to add here, Tushar, that जैसे देखो, आपने दो तीन कैंडिडेट्स का किया है अभी, right, in one specific assembly.
Yes, sir.
So देखो, we are doing this exercise as a team for 243 assembly constituencies and for 5 candidates from each assembly constituency. Okay, just look at the scale at what we are doing. Okay, now, you know, even this Garland data, you know, just when right now we are just looking at our piece, but when we will look at this aggregated, once we start doing the actual aggregated analysis for all these 243 assembly constituencies, it will be a huge revelation for us. Do you see that?
Yeah, I got one thing that finer the data, more precise, more accurate will our analysis. I mean, more information I can gather.
And देखो, one more point I want to share here. To what an extent we will be able to do or not is in due course of time we will move forward to it. But just let me share to you. In the beginning also I had shared with you that, you know, somewhere we are trying to move from whatever they have submitted to what the reality is. That is what we are aiming at. To what an extent we will be able to do is still, it's not a small thing. It's a long process, but that's what we are aiming at. Okay. Now, if you look at election rallies, do you see what kind of garlands they use in the rallies? Do you have visuals in your mind that when big prominent leaders, the star pracharaks, when they are on stage, you know, what kind of flowers and garlands they wear?
Yeah, I can visualize, sir. Yeah.
Great. Did you ever have a chance to yourself go and buy garland anytime in recent 1 or 2 years, maybe for any marriage or any home festival or anything, like any activity?
Yeah, sir. Last year, sir, my dad purchased new car, so at that time.
Fine. So I hope then you can make sense कि वो महंगा हो. It's not so cheap as we might think. Even a bouquet of flowers, a few flowers, cost somewhere around 250 rupees for, you know, अगर उसमें 8-10 bunch of गुलाब हो और कुछ एक आध लिली हो और कुछ, you know, थोड़ा बहुत फूल हो. I hope you आपने थोड़ा आइडिया लगा होगा depending on what kind of flowers you must have purchased.
Yes, sir.
So maybe it could be a very good indicator in future. I'm just saying one hypothesis कि अगर हमारे लिए भी देखो, in the process we are trying to figure out, हमें नहीं पता है कि exactly which piece might turn out to be the pearl in this activity. But maybe just during this discussion I am getting a sense कि कहीं ना कहीं बाद में अगर हम, चूंकि all of for any candidate all these pomp and show is visually captured, so maybe it could give us an idea in future or maybe sometime to estimate based on the visuals कि कितना expense लगा होगा एक उतना बड़ा गार्लैंड का एक्चुअली में क्या प्राइस है और क्या रिपोर्टेड है.
Yes, sir.
Some big idea, some, I'm not saying to what an extent, you know, it's, I'm just speaking whatever is coming to my mind. Are we able to somewhere, you know, make sense?
Yes, a little bit, but things are still not clear to me.
So it will not be clear to you at this point of time, because, you know, point is ki it's not clear to anyone. So you are knowing
So
that.
let me add to what Bhaskar just said. I think what he said is that, you know, the important thing to remember, emphasize is कौन सा disaggregated data हम लोगों को ज्यादा फोकस करना पड़ेगा. मतलब वो that will give us a key to analyzing this very precisely. ये पहले से बताना बहुत मुश्किल है क्योंकि ऐसा डेटा ऑलरेडी पहले था ही नहीं. अगर लोगों के पास जो डेटा के बारे में लोगों के पास ऑलरेडी आइडिया है, वहां से वो सब कॉन्टेक्स्ट में लोगों को पता हो सकता है कि अच्छा इस डेटा में अगर ज्यादा डिटेल मिल जाए तो हम लोग अच्छा काम कर सकेंगे. लेकिन वी आर वर्किंग ऑन एन एरिया जहां पे पहले इंडियन कॉन्टेक्स्ट में काम करी हुआ ही नहीं है. So we have no idea which part of the data will give us the right kind of insights. So that's why we want to capture as much data as possible. So that's what I said, that as principle, I mean, it's not just about election research. As principle, if you are interested in social science empirical analysis, always go for as fine-grained data as available. It doesn't matter how much painful it is to collect that data. The greater granularity that you have about the greater granularity you have on the data, the better analysis you can do and more interesting questions you can ask. पहले हम लोग के पास डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल डेटा मिल जाता था तो हम लोग बहुत खुश हो जाते थे. अभी गांव के लेवल पे डेटा मिल रहा है. We are doing a lot of analysis. I recently did a paper where we have household level data for entire rural population of UP. So that's a 25 million households, and we have data on allocation of toilets for each year for each of these 25 million households. Now you can ask, kya karenge itna data leke? But the question we have asked requires that kind of data. Without household level data, we could not have asked the question we asked. Now, once you land on a disaggregated data, then a lot of questions come to your mind. That ye पूछ सकते हैं, ये भी दिखा सकते हैं. So all these things you can't preempt, right? तो पहले सोच के मैं data collect कभी नहीं करता हूँ क्योंकि मुझे पता ही नहीं है इस एरिया में कैसा insight मुझे मिल सकता है. इसीलिए we want to capture as fine grained as possible because we don't know what part of the data will give us the insight.
Yes, sir.
और देखो समवेयर हमें अगर कोई स्टडी ऑलरेडी पब्लिश हो गई एंड इफ वी आर एबल टू यू नो कम अप विद द गैप्स इन दैट स्टडी और व्हाट इज मिसिंग, दैट इन इटसेल्फ इज अ वेरी बिग वैल्यू एड. And that's where I would really want कि आप लोग भी, when you are doing data digitization, yesterday I was having a call with Nishtha and Sangeeta, and I was sharing with them that, when you are doing this digitization, also it's don't just think from the perspective that you are doing data digitization. Keep noting down the questions that come to your mind. Later on, we will be analyzing them. And definitely, and after we have completed the exercise, we will be doing a brainstorming session around the questions. But at the same time, जब आप ये activity कर भी रहे हो with the data set, you are doing the digitization, so you are spending a lot of time, let's say 1.5 hours with one assembly, with one candidate of one assembly. So when you are for so much long with one कैंडिडेट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर असेंबली, आपके माइंड में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आ रहे होंगे, बी दैट स्टूपिड क्वेश्चन और व्हाटएवर यू कैन थिंक ऑफ. कीप राइटिंग देम, कीप मेकिंग अ लिस्ट ऑफ देम. बाद में उससे हम लोग एलिमिनेट कर देंगे, दैट्स अ सेपरेट थिंग. लेकिन उसमें बहुत सारे यूजफुल क्वेश्चंस होंगे, एंड इट विल रियली बी, दैट इज द एक्चुअल एक्साइटिंग थिंग. हम उन सारे क्वेश्चंस का आंसर निकालेंगे यूजिंग द डेटा सेट दैट वी आर कलेक्टिंग. कैन यू सी दैट?
Yes, sir.
अभी जितना भी हम डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं, दीज आर ऑल क्वालिटेटिव डिस्कशंस, बट जस्ट इमेजिन कि हमारे पास डेटा सेट है, एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस वी आर डूइंग बेस्ड ऑन डेटा, not by talking or qualitative talking, but based on data. You are coming up with new kinds of insights from the data set, and that is what the actual assignment to you guys are. What these data communicate, what is the meaning of this data, what kind of insights can we derive, what hypothesis can we create, and we try to answer using the data sets. This is the actual assignment with a big question mark when we will able to finish this digitization. Can you see that? बोलो यार.
So I have a question. Like,
Yes.
uh, the structure of data. I think when I was the data and I was writing the data, I think when, the structure of data is not in a such a way that we can. It will take some times to even. I think while we when we analyze the data, I think we have to restructure the data to analyze the. I think like in a Garland and in this cost data, we have to restructure this data to analyze this data. If you see the if you see the Google Doc,
मतलब you mean to say कि
it will be more clear to you.
It's in row form, so maybe we need
Yeah.
to put it in tabular form, in column format, so that we are able to fit in a model to it, or in data frame structure maybe. Is that what you are trying to say? So is that what you are trying to say? Did I understand you correctly, Sandeep? Okay, so I think Sandeep, somewhere his voice is, my voice is coming to you, Sandeep's voice is not coming. Okay, so looks like he has also dropped, so some network issue maybe. Fine. So anyone else? Just, this is really a very big question mark, by when we will be able to complete this digitization process so that we move into the next set of actual activities that we have planned to do. and trust me on one promise that I did to you before the internship, and I'm continuing with it, that by the time we will be towards the later part of the internship, the amount of learning that you will have will be tremendous, be it in terms of data science, be it in terms of critical thinking, be it in terms of the new kind of research that you are doing. Because even as Sabya right now shared, this is like a complete ocean which is not explored. It's like barely visible to us. Lok Sabha 2019 इलेक्शन का जो इलेक्शन एक्सपेंडिचर था कंबाइंड पूरे इलेक्शन का, CMS is a Center for Media Studies think tank. They have published a study that it was of the worth of 55,000 crore. I hope you understand what is 55,000 crore once we did that activity of visualizing the amount. And I went through that report. It has lots and lots of approximations. And the kind of activity that we are doing right now, we are easily, very far ahead of what they are saying. And the kind of granularity at which we are doing our exercise, it's way, way, way ahead than what they have done. And believe me, CMS study is considered to be one of the most reliable and quoted studies in Indian context with respect to elections. I will share the studies link with you after our this call on Discord, so that you also go through it, how they do it, what kind of analysis they have done, and compare it with what kind of research are we attempting to do. The only thing is, when we will, the sooner we start on that part, and there I want your commitment that when are we actually starting on that part, by when we will be able to complete this activity.
So I got disconnected.
Yeah. So did I answer your question then? Did you understand? Was it you were saying?
No, I wasn't there.
So actually, like, is it related to you were saying about structuring of the data set? So I think is it that they are in columns, rows, and we need to put them in columns? Is that what you meant?
Yes, sir, and yeah, similar kind of thing.
Fine. So ठीक है. So वहाँ पे भी we will talk about it. Maybe Sabya will be sharing with you, kind of tools with which and how we do that. And even I will be sharing that with you. If in R there is a very common function. There is a tidy R package which we use for data analysis, and वो सब पे हम लोग बात करेंगे. And that too, जब इस तरह का हमारे पास डेटा सेट रहेगा तो वो सब तो we will sharpen our hands definitely on the data set, but towards the actual problem of answering the questions. समझ रहे हो? So एक बार सारे both the teams एक बार बताओ कि हमारा कितना हुआ है अभी डेटा डिजिटाइजेशन, what is left of it? I will just now let me share my screen with you. Okay, so like this is the sheet where I will share this sheet also. It's there in the Discord otherwise. So Sangeeta, Nishtha and Preeti, they know about it. So you should communicate to them. यहाँ पे एक तो आप जो भी अपना डेटा सेट्स प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, प्लीज पुट इन द लिंक्स हियर अपने डेटा सेट का. These are the links which is shared by Nishtha shared, Preeti and Sangeeta, they have shared their links here. So आप भी यहाँ पे अपना link share करो, so that you can see इनका भी data and your data is also there. And this is the sheet for the link, and the first sheet is which says your names. Let's say what are the districts that you are working upon and what is the status of it. So like here you can see Araria, on which Nishtha has earlier worked, and she has completed 5 out of 5 candidate sheet of this assembly. So approximately, I think Nishtha, Preeti and Sangeeta, have you updated this sheet after our last meeting with the data sets that you have already done?
No, sir, we have, I mean, I have just started doing it and have completed one constituency, but I'm working on it, so I'll update it soon.
Sangeeta, Preeti?
सर सेम अभी तक नहीं किया.
I have also not updated. वो भी कर रही हूँ मैं, तो उसके बाद अपडेट कर दूंगी.
Okay, so देखो 72 assemblies as per the last update. 72 assemblies we have already completed out of 243 assembly seats. And correct me, आप लोगों को ये 72 assemblies करने में कितना टाइम लगा था? अगर डेडिकेटेड वे में बात करें तो 1 week. You share, मतलब आप बताओ कि आपको कितना टाइम लगा था एक्चुअली में.
Sir, 1 week if but I worked for 8 to 9 hours a day.
Okay. तो अगर निष्ठा का मैं बात करूं तो निष्ठा has done 43 assembly constituencies. And अभी कितना है आपके पास, each one of you?
Sir, everybody has 19 constituencies to do.
19 constituencies.
That time we had 24 to 25 constituencies.
Right. So actually no, you are saying 43 assembly constituencies if I see here. Acha, sorry.
That
This
is
is the,
I think, total.
this is the total. Yes, 24 assembly constituencies. So fine. So you were able to complete it in 1 week. So that's what I said. It's not more than 1 week's task. अभी आपके पास assembly constituencies भी कम हैं. All of you. So please share कि इसको हम कितनी जल्दी कर लें, so that we actually move on to the real analysis of this.
I think, sir, it would be good if we complete it before next Wednesday meeting.
बताओ बाकी लोग भी बोलो यार. Everyone say.
By next Wednesday, it would not be possible for me because I have 2 quizzes and 2 project submission this week. And this is only from my academic part. And apart from that, I have taken 2 projects, and by tomorrow I have to submit assignment of project by SNT. So upcoming 3 to 4 days are too much tedious for me.
So tell me a timeline. And this is for everyone. Just tell me a timeline so that देखो यार, as a team we need to move fast. That's why we are here as a team. और हर किसी का कुछ ना कुछ engagement होगा. We cannot deny that. And that's where we need to pitch in so that as a team decide on a time when we will be able to complete it, and we need to support our team members on that and complete that in whatever we commit. And there is no need ki, we be very ambitious in our commitment and then we don't do it. Let's be realistic, let's complete it, and let's move on to the next stuff. Let's not just keep hanging around the same thing over and over. Provided that's, I'm sure none of us want ki we spend our time, the market research thing that we were doing, there also we could not move further because of the complexities that came into the process. But here we have a very clear roadmap of where we are going, and we have a very clear, outcomes from it that we will be moving into. And it will be a super duper learning experience for all of us once we actually start working on it, on the data sets, not by the time we we keep meeting on the status of the data sets. And at any point of time you have any questions, I am here, you can call me anytime. I think all of you have my number and we have been talking also. So, if you are getting any kind of questions that is it relevant, not relevant, or any kind of that kind of question, I am available, readily available on phone. You can call me anytime. It's not कि meeting के समय ही हमें बात करना. Any kind of question. Like yesterday, Nishtha and Sangeeta, they shared with me that they are not getting a visibility on where we are heading to. And that's where I shared with them that they are statisticians, and in future they will be hanging around with decision makers in the companies, and how this project will be very helpful in their careers of, of decision making, how it will enable their statistical abilities. Because जब हम लोग इस पे काम करने लगेंगे, we'll be start fitting models into it, and we will be analyzing them and sharing from those models ki what are our learnings, what are the margin of errors, what are the confidence level in what we are talking. And then आपकी भी एक तो आपके concepts clear होंगे, that's still one thing, but more important, you will learn the actual market practices जो industry में लोगों को जानना है, and what people are really eager to know. The kinds of stories, data communication that you need to do, the kind of insights that you will be drawing upon, the hypothesis that you will be building and then you will be solving. And I cannot emphasize on it more that we have with us Professor Sabyasachi also, who is a professor in economics field, a graduate from Yale and at Ashoka University, who has done his years of research, his PhD, and now he's even teaching students on this very thing. And we are actually honored to have him to guide us in all of it, and not as a class, but rather as a live project of which all of us are equal participants. And you just can't anytime, आप सिर्फ मुझे ही नहीं, you can also reach out to him, he is readily available. So just as a team, let us discuss कि कब तक हम लोग ये वाला part complete कर लेंगे. There is no point in slogging with it. तुषार, I do understand आपके बहुत सारे submissions हैं, सब कुछ है. At the same time, do you want कि इसको हम लोग बस ऐसे ही continue करें?
No sir. Sir, मैं बस वो वेडनेसडे वाली डेडलाइन को लेकर मैं कह रहा था कि वो मेरे लिए feasible नहीं है. Even मैं चाहे जितनी कोशिश करूं, तो मतलब मैं मेहनत करूंगा, और सैटरडे तो एटलीस्ट चाहिए था सैटरडे.
देखो, मैं कह रहा हूं कि आपके लिए फिजिबल नहीं है, तो आप एक इंडिविजुअल नहीं हो ना, यू आर ऑल्सो अ टीम प्लेयर. आर यू एन
Yes, sir.
इंडिविजुअल?
No, sir.
So whatever we are talking, let us talk from the perspective of a team. We have two teams, team A and team B. I want both teams to share about their deadlines, and let us do it as a game and complete the activity. And there will be a treat also to the team which wins.
I was about to say that you should tell them about the treat you were talking about yesterday, so that they get interested in doing the task.
I have already shared that with the team captains, and I leave it up to the team captains to, to take it on with the teams. Whichever way they feel, the teams do it as a part of the game. बताओ यार आप लोग, टीम अप, टेल मी.
सर मेरा ये कहना था, अदर टीम मेंबर्स भी तो कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं उसको, अगर वो बिजी है तो हम लोग कुछ वर्क उससे ले लेंगे.
तुम अपने टीम में बात करो और मुझे बताओ. टेक 5 minutes, डिस्कस, आप लोग आपस में बात कर लो. आई एम पुटिंग इट ऑन म्यूट. चैट पे बात कर लो या आप लोग बोल के बात कर लो. ऑल ऑफ अस, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. जस्ट लेट अस नाउ मूव एज अ टीम. ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब कोई पूछ रहा है, कोई बता रहा है, हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है, ये सब. why are we delving into it? It's not too big of a work. Individually किसी का हो सकता है कभी कोई प्रॉब्लम हो. Others are also there. We need to jump in and cover up the gaps. Take 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or please share. Please share. I'm going on mute. संदीप चाहो तो निष्ठा के साथ वन ऑन वन एक बार देख लो आप. That is what as I am reiterating the fact कि कोई भी जैसे आप लोग कर रहे हो तो अलोन उसको मत करो. दूसरे के एक्सपीरियंस को यूज करो कि हाउ दे आर डूइंग, कि उनको इतना कम समय लग रहा है. They might share with you some technique.
क्योंकि सर पिछली बार भी मैंने बोला था, संगीता, प्रीति और मुझ में, मतलब मुझे ही सबसे ज्यादा टाइम लगा था करने में कंप्लीट. बट फिर भी हो जाना चाहिए. मतलब सारे एफिडेविट में इतनी डिटेल्स नहीं है.
और जस्ट ऑन अ लाइटर नोट, अब तो साहबुद्दीन भी नहीं रहा. he contested from सिवान लोक विधानसभा. सो कल ही यहाँ पे एक अंकल है, he was sharing the story कि 9 around 2000 के आसपास, जो the time when Shahabuddin was at his peak, like he was a mafia over there. So वहाँ पे ऐसा होता था कि जब इलेक्शन आता था तो कोई दूसरा कैंडिडेट अपना फाइल भी नहीं करता था. एंड जस्ट वन कैंडिडेट, और सिर्फ वहाँ साहबुद्दीन का ही झंडा रहता था. he contested from RJD टिकट. एक बार क्या हुआ कि एक ने लगाया था अपना झंडा. he was contesting पूरे असेंबली में एक झंडा, and that too with Shahabuddin's permission. Can I put? Okay, so these are some of the interesting stories which once in a while we will get to know. कोई मोकामा कर रहा होगा तो मोकामा में भी there is a famous candidate, अनंत सिंह. मोकामा किया है किसी ने? मोकामा, मोकामा आई थिंक मुंगेर जिला में आएगा या लखीसराय में, इन दोनों में से किसी में आना चाहिए। चलो ठीक है, आप लोग करना तो देखना। सब कैंडिडेट्स जो है ना काफी यूनिक कैंडिडेट्स भी हैं। अभी आप उनका डेटा डिजिटाइज कर रहे हो। अगेन आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर विथ यू कि जब आप वो एक्टिविटी कर रहे हो तो just don't do it from the perspective of doing a data digitization. Know that these are very powerful, influential people, and they have, they know a lot of things on how to manage things. They are so tremendous managers that we can't even think of, and their election expenditure affidavits are just small glimpses of the management skills that they possess. Okay, so थोड़ा बीच बीच में उन लोगों का नाम जब आप सर्च करोगे नेट पे तो उनके बारे में बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग यूट्यूब पे वीडियोस और वो स्टोरीज उनके बारे में आपको पता चलेगी। अनंत सिंह का भी मैं एक वीडियो आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा डिस्कॉर्ड पे, जस्ट फॉर अ लाइटर नोट। So Wednesday, do we take as final word from everyone? अच्छा, Wednesday मतलब क्या कि जब when we meet on Wednesday we are complete, or when we meet on Wednesday it is like कि आज शाम तक होगा?
वेडनेसडे को पहले ही कंप्लीट करके मीटिंग में आएंगे सब।
हाँ, तो मीटिंग शाम तक रखेंगे।
नहीं, मीटिंग का टाइम यार यही रखो, उसको प्लीज चेंज मत करो।
तैयार करके आएंगे।
ओके सर, इट मे हैपन।
सारे लोगों का अलग अलग फिर शेड्यूल वो बिगड़ जाएगा।
ठीक है सर।
ठीक है।
एंड ये शीट पे आप लोग लिंक शेयर कर देना शीट का। ओके
ओके
ओके। और आप लोगों को कुछ और शेयर करना है from the exercise that you are doing? Any concerns that you are having? Are you guys now clear on the purpose for why we are doing it, or you still have questions or reservations on why are we digitizing this data? What value will it add in the overall exercise that we are doing?
Sir, after digitizing this data, are we gonna use some machine learning models or something like that?
So, Sabya, would you like to answer that?
I mean, depends on the research question. So I think we have to first identify what research question we are interested in analyzing, and then appropriate methods we can pick to understand it. Machine learning can be used to, machine learning is very good for predictions. So if you're interested in some kind of prediction analysis, then definitely ML can be used. In economics, we are more interested in causation than prediction. And for causation, ML is less useful, but not completely. We can think about clever ways of using it. But yeah, depends on the question.
Absolutely. So like, as I shared, also along the way, keep noting the questions that come to your mind and your observations. जैसे handwriting बहुत गंदी है, if you have specific cases, तो वो भी note करो. Whatever and about the expenses, ये इतना कम है, ये इतना ज़्यादा, whatever it can be, keep noting that, and all the questions in the end, you know, after this activity, we will compile those questions and try to answer those questions based on data science as well as based on, you know, econometrics models, or maybe we will see depending on, you know, what kind of questions have we come up. अगर हमारे questions में ML is involved, we can definitely work out on prediction side also. There is it is our data set, and we will be using it in the most creative ways we can use it. And if needed, maybe sometime we can have I will just see if we can have one journalist with us for maybe an hour or so, who can also share later on his questions. Our approach will be, you know, to be as creative with the questions, and we will answer all of those questions with the data set that we prepare in this process. And that is the real stuff, where जहाँ से learning तो हमारा होगा ही, at the same time, you know, it will give us a tremendous chance on enhancing our data science capabilities, as well as उसमें tools and analytical abilities are there, as well as data communication, you know, storytelling based on data, data visualization, these kinds of visuals, you know, you can just think of, be as creative with the visuals as you can, using the data set, what all stories we can share, what all, you know, insights we can share. If there are research questions, you know, what how do we answer those? So ML and all are just methods, depending on, you know, how you creative you are, and collectively as team in our brainstorming sessions that we do, हम सारे question का इसमें answer करेंगे. That is one thing from our side we can say. And in this duration of the internship itself, we will attempt to answer all these questions. That is what, you know, I have in mind. Can you see कि कितना सारा learning होगा? And not just learning, like engagement, people's engagement. This is something no one has seen. This is first of its kind that we are doing. And that too, you know, before मतलब July तक latest. And it's just, you know, अब जितना जल्दी हम लोग ये चीज complete करें, so that we have more time towards that. And that's why, you know, I am always pushing कि हम लोग कितना जल्दी इसको complete कर सकते हैं. Is it visible? I mean, I want थोड़ा आप लोग responsive हो, so that पता तो चले कि can you see this or not see this, or is it exciting or very boring or whatever it is.
This seems a bit exciting, and somewhat I am clear. I mean, clear about path and target.
और मेरा एक प्रॉमिस और है आपसे, इफ यू रियली कमिट योरसेल्फ कि ठीक है, आवर्स आई रियली डोंट केयर अबाउट कि कितना आवर्स मुझे देना पड़ रहा है इन द इंटर्नशिप, रियली आई कैन प्रॉमिस यू कि इतनी ज्यादा आपकी लर्निंग होगी ना इसमें, दैट यू विल इवन सरप्राइज योरसेल्फ that when you joined this internship, where you were with data science and your reasoning abilities, and where you are when the internship is over with your reasoning abilities and data science communication. When I say data science, multiple times I'm using this word, which is you know, which includes data analytics, data cleaning, data analysis, data visualization, and data communication. All these are part of data science, and data analytics is a very small part. एक बार शायद पहले भी मैंने आपको शेयर किया था, आई एम नॉट श्योर कि आप ही को किया था in some context कि you know the communication that we do वो mostly business analyst करते हैं. The data communication part, data as data analyst हमारा काम कंपनी में यही होता है कि given models पे काम करके जो results निकालना है वो निकाले. So here it's a blend. What the work that we will be doing will be those of business analyst, data communication, and improving on those data communications, how to make our stories even more and more and more engaging and appealing, visually appealing, data-backed stories. Yeah. शेयर करो यार मन में आपके स्टिल जिनको लग रहा है मतलब आई रियली वांट कि ऑल ऑफ अस while doing the activity we are supercharged up on what we are doing and not looking at it from a very myopic perspective ki I am doing data digitization, because that is just a starting thing that we are doing, a necessary thing that is there in order to reach the goal that we are aiming at. So अगर मन में क्वेश्चन है, कंसर्न है, तो प्लीज उसको बोलो एंड लेट अस सॉल्व दैट थिंग. डोंट गो विथ इवन छोटा सा भी मन में क्वेश्चन. नहीं है तो देन ऑल्सो शेयर. यस आई एम अप फॉर इट, वॉट एवर दैट कम्स टू योर माइंड.
Oh, almost all of my doubts are cleared, sir. If a new question came into my mind, then I will ask you, sir.
Good, great. Others? क्वेश्चन पूछने में भी यार आलस कर रहे हो आप लोग. पूछ लो, बता दो, नहीं तो बोलो, फाइनली बोलो. मन में क्वेश्चन है तो पूछो यार, मतलब पूछोगे नहीं तो आंसर कैसे मिलेगा. मन में रखोगे तो कोई फायदा ही नहीं है. और क्लियर हो तो भी बताओ. आई रियली अप्रिशिएट कि तुषार हैज शेयर्ड, जो भी मन में था ही शेयर्ड. क्लियर हो तो भी बोलो आई एम क्लियर.
आई एम क्लियर.
और एंड एट द सेम टाइम किसी को, इफ एनीवन थिंक्स दैट वांट्स कि मैं आगे आई वांट टू टेक मोर लीडरशिप ऑन फ्यूचर एस्पेक्ट्स, तो वो भी शेयर करो, because as I shared with you there is lots and lots of work that we will be doing, and the more responsibility that you take the more learning you will get. As simple as that. No if no but. कुछ इसमें doubt नहीं है. प्रीति, पक्षाल, संदीप.
सही, ठीक है सर, तो आपसे कोई बात
Preeti is silent doer.
I'm clear, sir. What to do? I'm clear. I have question now.
Pakshal.
Clear.
And just clear है मतलब, or are you also excited? I mean, I got कि you are clear. if you are not excited, then also share. Yeah, I'm not excited. This overall thing is.
हेलो
Yes,
सर, मैं एक इंसिडेंट शेयर करना चाहता हूँ अभी।
बोलो।
सर मैं भी अपने अंकल के पास आया हुआ हूँ, तो वो क्या इलेक्शन के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं सर 2023 के लिए, तो उन्हें काफी इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है सर। पूरे टाइम मेरे साथ दे रहे हैं अभी वो। एक एक चीज निकाल रखे हुए हैं, क्या है क्या
देख लो। सही है अंकल, लेटर ऑन हमारे मॉडल को इनहांस करने में हेल्प करेंगे। अब
yes,
देखो, बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है कि अंकल के एक्सपेंसेस सही से ट्रैक हो। वेरी नाइस। बोलो यार आप लोग, ठीक है, डन। आर यू एक्साइटेड और नॉट एक्साइटेड? बोलो बोलो बोलो, एंड देन वी विल एंड इट अप। नहीं हो तो
Yes,
भी
sir.
बोलो। थिंक हाँ बोलो।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I am excited.
नाइस। ठीक है, मन में देखो जो भी होगा, अगला सेशन हमारा बुल्ला सेशन है, तो आप सोच के आना, वॉट एवर नहीं भी हो तो यू नो ऑन दैट मीटिंग शेयर, ठीक है, जो भी मन में चल रहा हो। डन।
Done.
चलो, सी
Done.
यू ऑन फ्राइडे।
ओके सर।
Okay, sir.
ओके, बाय
ओके,
See you everybody.
बाय।
बाय।
Bye.